Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we are going to learn divisibility rules for numbers from 2 to 11. Before starting with this video, let me tell you, we have made videos on every chapter of Class 3, Class 4 and Class 5 Mathematics. We also have interesting worksheets and quizzes on each chapter. You can find all of them on our channel Learning Notebook. Also, you can see a list of all such videos on our website. The link to our website is below in the description box. So let's start and first learn divisibility by 2. If the last digit of a number is even, like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. For example, 14, 22, 36. Here, the last digits are 4, 2 and 6, which are even numbers. So, these numbers are divisible by 2. Similarly, 50 and 68 also have last digit as even. Therefore, these two numbers are also divisible by 2. Now, let's see divisibility rule by 3. To check if a number is divisible by 3, we will check if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3 or not. For example, we have to tell whether 48 is divisible by 3. So, to check this, we will add 4 and 8. We get 12. Now, we will check if 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, we know 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 48 is also divisible by 3. Let's take another example. Check if 63 is divisible by 3. So, let's add both the digits. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Now, 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 63 is also divisible by 3. Now, let's see divisibility by 4. To check if the number is divisible by 4, we will see if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4 or not. Let's take an example. The number is 136. So, to check if 136 is divisible by 4, we will check the last two digits, that is 36 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, we know 36 is completely divisible by 4. Therefore, 136 is divisible by 4. Similarly, 620. Here also, take the last two digits. The number formed is 20. And check if 20 is divisible by 4. Again, we know 20 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 620 is divisible by 4. Now, let's understand divisibility by 5. Students, this is very simple. We just need to check if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5. For example, 140 and 355. Here, the last digit is 0 or 5. So, the number is divisible by 5. Next is divisibility by 6. To check if the number is divisible by 6, we will see if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's take an example. 336. This number is divisible by 2 because its last digit 6 is even number. Also, 3 plus 3 plus 6 equals to 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So, 336 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, we can say this number is divisible by 6. Let's take one more example. 138. Again, it is divisible by 2 because its last digit is even. Also, 1 plus 3 plus 8 equals to 12, which is divisible by 3. So, this number is divisible by 6. Now, next is divisibility by 7. To check if a number is divisible by 7, we will check if rest of digits minus 2 into last digit is divisible by 7 or not. Let's see few examples. 196. Here, last digit is 6 and rest of the digits form 19. So, we will do 19 minus 2 into 6, which is equals to 7. Now, if 7 is divisible by 7, yes, it is. Therefore, 196 is divisible by 7. Another example is 392. Here, last digit is 2 and rest of the digits form 39. So, 39 minus 2 into 2 equals to 35, which is divisible by 7. So, 392 is also divisible by 7. Now, let's learn about divisibility rule of 8. To check divisibility by 8, we will see if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. For example, 3064. Here, the number formed by last 3 digits is 064 or just 64. Now, 64 is divisible by 8. Therefore, we can say 3064 is divisible. 64 is divisible by 8. Another example is 1120. Number formed by last 3 digits is 120, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, 1120 is also divisible by 8. Next is divisibility by 9. Students, this is similar to divisibility by 3. It just here we will check if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 108, the sum of its digits is 1 plus 0 plus 8 equals to 9, which is divisible by 9. So, 108 is divisible by 9. Similarly, 189. Sum of its digits is 1 plus 8 plus 9 equals to 18, which is divisible by 9. Therefore, 189 is divisible by 9. Next is divisibility by 10. This one is very simple. Here we just need to check if the last digit is 0. For example, 240 and 550. Here the last digit is 0. So both the numbers are divisible by 10. Now the last divisibility rule is divisibility by 11. Here we need to check that sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places should be equal to 0 or divisible by 11. Let's take few examples. 616. Here, digits at odd places are 6 and 6, and digit at even places 1. So, 6 plus 6 minus 1 equals to 11, which is divisible by 11. So, 616 is divisible by 11. Next, 121. Here, digits at odd places is 1 and digit at even places 2. So, 1 plus 1 minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, 121 is divisible by 11. So, students, these were the divisibility rules from 2 to 11. Now, let's practice these divisibility rules with the help of an exercise. Question is, tell which numbers are divisible by 2. So, we have to tell which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. We learned divisibility rule by 2, which says, if the last digit of the number is even, then only the number is divisible by 2. So, look at this first number, which is 24. Its last digit is 4, which is an even number. So, 24 is divisible by 2. Next number is 98. Last digit is 8, which is also an even number. So, 98 is also divisible by 2. Next number is 67891. Its last digit is 1, which is not an even number. So, 67891 is not divisible by 2. Last number is 89126. Its last digit is 6, which is an even number. So, this is also divisible by 2. So, we will write the answer. A, B and D are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Next question is, tell which numbers are divisible by 5. So, here we have to check if the last digit is 0 or 5. Then only that number will be divisible by 5. So, let's look at the first number, 456. Here, last digit is 6. So, this number is not divisible by 5. Next number is 350. Last digit is 0. So, this means 350 is divisible by 5. Next number is 7895. Again, the last digit is 5. So, this number is also divisible by 5. Last number is 89126. So, its last digit is 6. So, this number is not divisible by 5. So, we will write the answer. B and C are the numbers which are divisible by 5. Next question is, tell which numbers are divisible by 4. So, to check if the number is divisible by 4, we will check if the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. So, first number is 3820 and the number formed by its last two digits is 20 and 20 is divisible by 4. So, it means 3820 is divisible by 4. Next number is 9416. So number formed by its last two digits is 16, and 16 is divisible by 4. So we can say 9416 is divisible by 4. Let's see the next number, 7834. Number formed by its last two digits is 34. Is 34 divisible by 4? No. Then number 7834 is not divisible by 4. Let's move on to last number, 422. Number formed by its last two digits is 22. And 22 is not divisible by 4. So it means number 422 is not divisible by 4. So we will write the answer. A and B are divisible by 4.